So all that you've seen me do in this vlog so far is make some breakfast, and that's not exactly the most interesting thing in the world, is it? It's kind of boring. So how come you're still watching this vlog then? Today I'll be teaching you how you can make a boring vlog seem interesting using some quite simple tricks which I thought of. Also, I didn't have the best night's sleep last night, so if I look bad or seem off today, then bear with me. Also, I'm the first up, so I'm trying to keep my voice down. Anyway, I've got a full day of college today. I got a 3-hour gap though, so I might do a cityscape shoot then. Let's get going. So, how come you're still watching this video? True, it's just a vlog of me going to college, which isn't really that interesting. However, what I have done to make this a bit more interesting is I've added value to it. I fit something around my day going to college that makes it interesting for the viewer. So, if you look at what I've done with the title, how to make a boring vlog interesting. If you give your video a more interesting title, it'll give the viewers more reason to click on the video. You can fit something around your boring vlog, such as a tutorial, which will give the viewer a reason to watch your video and they'll get something out of the video, so your video has value. If your video doesn't have much value, what is the point in the viewer watching it? You've got to give the viewer a reason to watch it. And by doing a tutorial or adding something around your day, you're adding value to it, meaning the viewer will get something out of it, other than just seeing you going to a few lessons at college. Something else you can do to make your videos a bit interesting is to tell a story. Now, what I've been doing so far today is, although I'm just doing a simple trip on a train, what I've shown is different shots of the train and explained what Serif and explained what I am doing. But I haven't just explained, I have shown it in visual context and in spoken context, so I'm trying to tell a story through my videos and portraying that clearly to the viewers. If there's a story behind your videos, the viewers are going to be more drawn to continue watching and your view time will last longer. I hope I explained that okay. So another thing you can do in your videos is to use varying types of shots. For example, when you're doing cinematics, it's best to get movement in your shots, whether that be people or trains or any moving object. You can even keyframe movement into your cinematic shots if it's just shot on a tripod. I'll do a tutorial on that. And also shots from low down, from higher up. And I've incorporated this shot. Well, I haven't actually, I set it up and everything, but you won't have seen that. It will look like I've incorporated this shot into me just walking through. So including varying types of shots in your vlogs will make them much more interesting than just always doing that kind of handheld basic vlogging style. So a little while ago I finished my French lesson, and I'm going to give another tip to how to make boring vlogs interesting. Make your day a bit more interesting. I know that sounds stupid, you don't have to like skydive or something. Like, I've just come out now to do a shoot, photography shoot, cityscape, and also some Instagram stuff, and I'm at the catacombs now. I'm on the edge of this ledge with the church in the background, got a really cool shot set up. It's nothing incredible, I haven't put loads of effort in or loads of money in, but I'm still making my day a little bit more interesting by getting out and doing something active, for example. If you do stuff like that in your videos, you can make it just that little bit more interesting.
Ai casini ci pensiamo domani. Porta l'estate, tuo profumo tra i capelli, baci quelli belli che sanno di rum, 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 rum. I baci belli che sanno di rum, 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 rum. I baci belli che sanno di rum. Tutto fresco e nuovo sound, mi sento in paranoia, mi sono tutto wow. Balla come me, balla con me, magari io te.
I would also suggest recording some kind of cinematics for your videos, or any kind of footage which just looks cool and adds to your story. You're trying to tell a story, but if you tell it with a variety of different kind of shots, like I mentioned earlier, that improves it. But then if you add some cool music and stuff over the top, maybe with black bars to make the cinematic kind of feel, that is even cooler and will make your vlog even less boring. One final thing I suggest to make your vlog more interesting and less boring is to add a bit of humour to it, whether this is just a random dad joke kind of thing, which you just come across as your day is going along, or you record like a little section which is either funny or comedic or just different. If you've seen my Una Cosa video, I don't know if it's published at the time of you watching this video, and if you're English viewers you probably wouldn't have watched that one because it's a Spanish video, but you may have seen it on my Instagram. I had like a clip at the start of me answering my own front door where I'm there talking to myself, etc. Go and see it if you haven't already, then you understand what I mean. It's just something which hooks the viewer for a moment, and it's just different from the rest of the video. It's not just talking to the camera, it just makes it a bit more interesting. My battery's gonna die on my camera. If you found this video useful, interesting, helpful, whatever, remember to leave a like because I put a lot of effort into this video. I've gone out of my way on a college day to like get all these different shots, etc. to put this video together. So if you leave a like, that'll be appreciated. Comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video. And I'll see you all later, everybody. Hasta luego.